guys, welcome back to my channel. So I will read to you today the dedication of this book, what this book all about, from Rag to Riches. This is a true story of hope and determination, and this is the dedication. This book is dedicated to those who have dreams of finishing their studies or improving their lives, but face financial or familial obstacles. No challenge can be overcome without a solution. Quitting or stopping short of goals is not the answer. Rather, identifying solution to meet needs is essential to realizing aspiration. Vanquishing fear and negativity and effecting transformative change in lives is a truly noble endeavor. By harnessing unrelenting determination, hope, faith, and a steadfast commitment to your goals, bolstered by inner fortitude in the face of obstacles, you can realize profound accomplishment. This is one of my favorite verse, Philippians chapter 14, verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who have strengthened me.